guys, welcome back to Arts with Gabby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some paper birds. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So what you need is paper, scissors, some markers, and if you want googly eyes, here's some googly eyes. Okay, so the first step you're going to do is cut the paper. Don't cut where the holes are because that's gonna do not what it's gonna do. So you're gonna cut a strip. I'm gonna cut mine with my scissors. Okay, we're gonna fold them into like a zigzag, like some confetti is made into. So I'm gonna do that quickly. Okay, that. I am only going to do it halfway so I can cut it. Because these birds, I am going to make things like these. This one's just plain with the wings and then it has tape inside. This one is untaped and it has little wings to fly. Okay, I'm going to cut off the end. And so right here is what I got. So you're gonna even the sides out, okay? Too thick. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you have two of these. And then I'm gonna make two today. So I'm going to teach you how to make the glided one that's untaped and with the gliders. Okay, so if you want to decorate more, that's okay. You could just use what you have at home or at school. Okay, so what I did, I unfolded it, took the pieces, glued it, taped it together. There's my tape. Okay. So you unfold those like that, like a T. And you're gonna take a piece of tape. And if you're doing this without a parent, make sure to have permission if you're a little kid. Okay? So we are going to fold those and take the tape and tape it. And then we got that. Oh no. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna take this side, unfold it like a bracelet, and do this side. There we go. We have the bird shape, okay? And don't forget, we're making this one, so you can decorate it. And if you guys don't know what I should do next, comment down below what I should do next. Next time, I might be doing these figure puppets, so keep in mind if I might do those, or comment down below something really good that's with arts and crafts, okay? So you got that, right? We're gonna take a little bit of tape. And also, if I'm going too fast, you guys can pause the video. Okay, so I'm going to take the tape. I usually put it on my pinky if it's a little smaller than my other fingers. And then I put it in, close it on my pinky, pull it out, and then that's how you don't get the tape stuck. Okay. Things are hard. Ew. So we're going to take this one and do it at the other side. You don't have to take my advice and do what I'm doing. You can decorate however you want. Okay. You also do this with colored paper, like this blue right here. I just didn't use the blue because I want to use line paper. And for the next one, I'll use the blue that's right there. Okay. So pull this out. Boop, boop. for the eyes, I usually do a beak, like this one. I did blue eyes, and then like a beak, as you guys can see. So, yeah. This one's kind of like up, so you guys don't have to make yours look like mine. I'm gonna go with, which color should I use? Ooh, orange eyes. It's a random choice. Color my beak. Pink. Okay. So we're gonna draw the eyes. Actually, this time I'm gonna do googly eyes. Okay, get the googly eyes. Okay, I got a couple of these out. Googly eyes. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so I'm gonna take two pieces of tape that one is really thin, and I'm gonna cut it in half. Okay, there we go. Just like I said, I'm gonna fold it into like a little croissant, and I'm gonna fold it again so it's a little smaller to fit on the googly eye. For this one, I'm gonna put it on both sides. I usually don't put two. So for the eyes, I probably wrong. But for the eyes, I just put one on this side and then the other side. So I'm just gonna do the other side quickly. Okay, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Okay, perfect. And you're gonna do it to the other side. And then I got the pink for the beak, so I'm just gonna draw a little smile or like a. Here we go. Took off the eye. Oh. Okay, there we go. Okay, now the other side for the beak. Okay, so this kind of looks the same, but the only step I have to do is to cut this side so it looks like a real shaped bird. There we go. And I'm actually gonna add a tail to this one, so it makes a lot more sense. Put that piece. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold this part, okay, and cut it. There's a tail. Do this. And that. And I was thinking I like this because it's like too tight. Perfect. And here we go. My beautiful first bird. And if you guys really like this video, you should comment down below what I should do next. Okay, now on to the really detailed one. Okay, so you're gonna do the same steps as before. You're gonna cut a sheet of paper. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 and done. Okay, this one is just gonna be the same. So I'm gonna fold these into bigger. Okay. Okay. Done. Ooh, that's good. Ooh. Two sides. Okay, so we got that. It's 4 this time. So all we have to do is just tape the 2 sides. And to make sure these are even, I usually take the part and cut it so they're both the same even. There we go. Boom. The tape. I'm gonna take a piece off. Okay. There we go. Take that. Glue it together. There we go. I'm just gonna cut off that extra little piece of tape. Oh, you can see the table. There we go. Save that for later. Okay, so now since we got the wings, there we go, got the wings. I'm gonna cut the back. Boop. How many more big eyes? So I'm just gonna dump them all. This unfolded, so fold that up again. Boop. Fold that, fold that. Okay. Okay, got the tape. There we go. I got the eyeballs on. Wings aren't exactly the same, so I'm just gonna clip that. There we go. Beautiful wings and eyeballs. Okay. So now for the mysterious color. I'm gonna do eyelashes on this one because this one kind of looks like a girl. Okay, let's pick a random color for the eyelash. Ooh. No. Okay. Orange. I'll quickly do eyelashes. There we go for that side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And now for the mysterious color, the ink. Blue. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Now for the parts of the gliding. Okay, so what I would do, I'm gonna do circles to, on the other one I did like triangles. I'm gonna do triangles. Circle. Okay. Okay, got one side done. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Okay. Triangle. Those out. Okay. There we go. Okay, for now, for the final rematch. Now, I have made 4 of these, but 2 I made before this video, and 2 that I gave you step by step. Okay, now I'm going to show you what my final product looks like. This is bird number 1, the glazed one that I created before this video. Nice and neat. bird number 2 that I created before this video. Do you see? No googly eyes. I created googly eyes on these ones because, well, I just wanted it to be more like fancy. This is bird number 3 that I created in this video, as you guys can see. And bird number 4, the glazed. If you guys enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit that the like button and the subscribe and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a video. Okay, bye!